Hello and welcome to my new channel on free software tutorials. In this channel, I just started it. I'm going to be showing you where to get free softwares. Like today I have a recording thing. It's called Open Broadcast Software, and my plan is to just show the free software that replaces software that you pay for, and you can do almost just as good, if not in some cases better. So today we have, like I said, we have Open Broadcast Software. It's a HD recording software. Let me just get rid of those real quick. And so I'm going to show you where to get it. So go ahead and open up your Google and type in Open Broadcast Software. I have it right there. It's going to be like the first link. It might not be for you. It's just Open Broadcast Software. It'll say index on it from obsproject.com. Yeah, it's a really good recording thing. It's really trusted. Don't click download just yet. Go ahead and go up to the top and hit download on there, right next to home and forum. Hit binaries. It'll download you the 64 and the 32-bit recording. And go ahead and use the 64-bit wherever you put it to. I already have it downloaded. Just show you. Use the 64 one right there. 64-bit. Go to that, and that's your program right there. That's the only one you'll need. The rest of it you don't have to mess with. Alright. I already have it running. That's what I'm recording with right now. Open Broadcast Software right there. It's that version. Okay, so down to the basics. First you're going to go to Settings when you first open it up. General, English, or whatever you use. It's cool. Don't really need any of those. You can launch it on the Windows, like when you start up a computer or whatnot, but I don't. First thing, go to encoding. If you have slow internet, you'll want to have this at a lower thing. I have pretty good internet. I lived on the East Coast, so I put mine at 8 and at 2,500 max bitrate. Now, if you have slow internet and you put these too high, your videos are going to be terrible laggy, and your computer is going to lag, and no one will want to see you using it at all. So if you have slow internet, you'll have to forfeit a bit of quality, but it'll record much better. If you can handle it, you might even be able to go higher than me. It's totally up to your internet, and I just feel comfortable with these ones right here. Alright, I'm not saving that because I already have it. Okay, so broadcast settings. You have file output only and live stream. File output only, I have it going to right here into my videos. This is recording. That's what I've named it. This is taking it and putting it into my recording files. And yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. If you want to change the name, just change it right here. Don't change the MP4 though. That's important. To do a live stream, like say Twitch, there's multiple other, but I'll just show you how to get the Twitch stream key. Now, you'll have this little box right here, and you'll want to open up Google or whatever browser you have, and just go to twitch.tv. And I'm already signed in, but if not, you'll have to sign in to get your stream key. You'll scroll down. It'll be right about here. It says become a broadcaster, play the games, blah blah blah. Alright, get started. Now to open up this, you'll hit where can I find my key, my stream key, dashboard. Then you'll hit show key. Copy and paste that to right here. It's pretty easy. Just don't get any spaces on the sides. They'll come up as dots and you won't be able to stream. Alright, down to video. Video, I have my FPS at 60 because I have a computer that can handle that. If your computer can't handle 60, go ahead and lower it and just keep trying it out. With different games, you'll be able to have higher FPS, and some you won't. So just play with that, make it look good. Again, you'll have to sacrifice quality for technically quality. So, I mean, just because the video will be a little won't look as neat, then it'll actually run smooth. And like right now, my mouse is running smooth. It's not all laggy. But if I can't put it up higher than 60, but I mean, if you put massive amounts of stuff that your computer can't handle, your video will be crappy. Alright, And that's it on that, and just, it might not go with your default, pretty sure it will though. So that's with that, and then audio, you can have push to talk keys, hotkeys, I don't know, I don't use hotkeys. Then all this stuff which you don't really need at all. The defaults will be fine on that. Alright, now to the actual screen, you have the Open Broadcast Software window. You won't start off with any of these are all of my recording / stream links and stuff. Scenes and sources, that's what we'll start off with first. For a scene, you'll push add scene, and it'll be like blah blah blah. You can name it whatever you want. I don't need to make another one of those, it'll stop recording. I made a new one right here, so I can just show you that this is where the sources are. I put monitor capture on. That's why you can see my screen still, is because it's on monitor capture. The neat thing about this is you can switch around between scenes if you have them still selected during the video while you're recording. It's awesome. Alright, and then, so to get text on here, you can get text, just open up the text thing, type in hello YouTube, just choose the color. It's pretty simple. I don't want to, I'll just use white for right now. Font size, let's go 100, bold, italicized, underlined, vertical, and use point filtering. Okay. See, and since I have a vertical, it's going to be on the side there. You can just take it off like that or that. To move it, you go right click it, position / size, move to left edge. It's already at left edge. Fail. Move to top. It's already at the top. I'm terrible at this. Move to right edge. There we go. Alright, so there's that. Image, same thing. Open it up. It'll take you to your files, and you will be able to just browse your files and open up the picture you want. And you can move it the same exact way. Really big right now is video capturing devices when streaming. So if you stream a game, a lot of people have their webcam looking at them. That's what that's for. You can open up that, and you can move it just the same way. It's very simple and easy to use. I don't have a webcam, so I can't show you right now. Global source, I wouldn't really worry about that right now. That's just not it. I wouldn't worry about that. It's nothing you're ever going to use probably. Now, game capture, which is the big one. Not using monitor capture won't always work for the games. So if you have a game open, like say right now I have Google Chrome open, it'll show up right here in the applications, and you'll click that and click OK. Now I didn't name it, but if you go to the properties of this, it's under the Twitch one right there. So if I were to turn off my monitor, all you could see was Google. So that's what's nice about that. But the important thing to note is in a lot of games, if they're full screen, they won't record properly. You'll want to put them in borderless window mode. And sometimes window mode will work, but most of the time you want to put your game in borderless window mode, and it'll record just perfect. And, okay, so that covers that. You can add the scene here, and then you can add it all over here. See, I have my image, I just put a red block there. Yeah, and you just put over whatever game you want. You can name it. I didn't. I'm not very organized with it. Just records whatever right now. Then if you press that, it'll mute your mic. If you press this, it'll mute your audio. Stop recording, you can start recording. When you have it on setting on streaming, it'll say start streaming and stop streaming. Then you get to the settings by just going to this, like I showed you earlier. Then edit scenes. You can just move it around like that. Now my image will pop up right there. Just take that off. And yeah, if you're wondering, this is Enigma 4. It's completely free. The rain meter. I got it from. You have to go to rainmeter.com and just get the rain meter, and then install, or then go to enigma4.com or whatever it's called and get Enigma 4. But that's not what it's about. I was just telling in case you wanted it. Alright, so that completes the tutorial on Open Broadcast Software. Completely free. I recommend it. Give it 8 stars out of 10. Like and subscribe and comment if you want more. Suggestions on other software if you want. I'm planning on doing. I have a couple already in mind, but we'll see how that goes. If you liked it, let me know and I'll make more. Thanks for watching. This was a free tutorial video thing, whatever you call it, on this software.